Welcome to this week's Construction Review Weekly Roundup on construction news in Africa. In this week, Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority signs a memorandum of understanding for expansion of Tema Port in Ghana. Tanzania to invest $300 million in its first geothermal power plant. BUA to set up $500 million cement plant in Nigeria. Orascom to build a $3 billion coal power plant in Egypt. Kenya, Ethiopia and Somalia to construct a new dam on River Dawa. And in our events highlights, we take a look at what happened during the Powering Africa, Tanzania, held this week in Dar es Salaam. Welcome, I'm Yvonne Andiva. We begin our news in Ghana. Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority, GPHA, has signed a memorandum of understanding with Meridian Port Services to undertake various construction works at the Tema Port. Mr. Richard Anamo, the Director General of GPHA, has said that the expansion will see the berths handle more and larger vessels. Dredging to be undertaken will see the port capable of handling larger and deeper draughted vessels, and this will help link Ghana to the outer world. To be constructed at the Tema Port includes terminals, 2 berths, a breakwater, quay wall, and a truck park along the major port. The project is expected to cost a total of $1.5 billion and is expected to start off by the second quarter of 2015. The 2 berths are expected to be complete by October 2016, a move that will make it possible for related infrastructure to be completed by December 2018. This includes a rail and a road network, railway terminal, and a quarry. We head over to Tanzania now, where there are ongoing plans to invest in a new geothermal power plant in Lake Ngozi in Mbeya in a bid to shift focus from hydro. It will be the first geothermal power plant in the country, and construction is expected to start next year. The venture, which is being led by African Development Bank (AFDB) as financiers, will unlock the country's potential for geothermal power. This is according to Emeka Oragunye, the principal energy specialist at AFDB. The new power plant will generate 5,000 megawatts and is part of AFDB's plan in financing renewables through the Scaling Up Renewable Energy Program (SREP). The country has received $45 million from AFDB and $25 million from SREP. Tanzania will also seek to develop other 50 geothermal potential spots. It will also be critical in the planned addition of 10,000 megawatts into the grid by 2025, up from the current 2,780 megawatts. And now, over to Nigeria. BUA Group International is planning to invest in a new cement plant that will be expected to have 3 million tons per year. The new plant will be constructed in the Okpela, Edo State, and is expected to be ready for commissioning in February 2015. After commissioning, it will increase the company's cement production to 5.3 million tons per year. According to Yusuf Binji, the executive director at BUA Group, Okpela, Edo State, apart from the planned 3 million tons per year cement plant at the Okpela, BUA is also setting another cement plant at the same state, which is expected to have an output of 1.5 million tons per year once completed. The company is already operating another cement manufacturing plant at the Sokoto state in Nigeria through Sokoto Cement, which is its subsidiary. And now, in Egypt, Orascom, a construction company which is a unit of the Dutch-based OCI, is in collaboration with the Emirati-based International Petroleum Investment Company, planning to construct a $3 billion coal power plant in the country on Egypt's Red Sea coast. The planned power station will produce between 2,000 to 3,000 megawatts of power using advanced clean coal technology that complies with the European Union standards for emission control. The details of the coal power plant project emerged after Nassef Sawiri's the CEO of OCI and Egypt's wealthiest man, held talks with Egypt's Prime Minister Ibrahim Mahlab. The power plant, which is waiting for technical studies and governmental corporate approvals, with many Egyptian environmental groups against the use of coal, saying it has severe environmental and health effects. We now zero over to Eastern Africa, where Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia have agreed to construct a new dam on River Dawa at Mandera County in Kenya. The announcement was made during a 3-day meeting organized by the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, in Nairobi, Kenya. The entire process will be undertaken by IGAD, who had called the meeting to discuss on cooperation in management and sustainable development of River Dawa. As part of this energy project, the 3 states will construct a hydropower station on river and a bridge linking Kenya and Ethiopia, which is meant to promote cross-border movement across the river. The 3 states have formed a technical team to undertake feasibility study for the project. The projects are meant to harness and promote sustainable use of the river. The representatives of the 3 states present at the meeting expressed their support. And finally, in our events desk, we pay our attention to the just concluded Powering Africa Tanzania. The event kicked off in Dar es Salaam on the 13th of this month, and it closed its curtains on 14th. It aimed at facilitating the dialogue between government and the private sector investors, exploring the evolving political and regulatory landscape to help present sustainable solutions for harnessing Tanzania's natural resources in order to meet the rapid domestic and regional energy demands. Tanzania has recently announced its interest in starting to explore geothermal power by constructing the first geothermal power plant starting next year. The Minister of Energy and Minerals in Tanzania, Honorable Sospita Muhongo, TANESCO Managing Director, Engineer Mramba, and EWURA General Director, Felix Ngamlagosi, attended the event to discuss the reform of the state utility, TANESCO, and the impact this will have on investment within the country. That is all you had from our news desk this week. Remember to log on to our website www.constructionreviewonline.com for this and more news and details in the construction industry in Africa.